Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings or your music app and jumping straight to Sound Right Arrow Equalizer. Once there, enable the EQ toggle and select a neutral preset, because presets give you a predictable baseline. Play a familiar reference song at about 50% volume so you can hear subtle changes. Make sure the phone is using the internal audio path or the active Bluetooth device. Otherwise, your adjustments won't apply. This sets you up to make meaningful band changes without guessing. Once done, dive into the individual bands and adjust with purpose. You want small, deliberate moves of about 1 to 3 dB. You, the listener, will hear bass in 20 to 250 Hz, mids in 250 to 4,000 Hz, and treble above 4K Hz, so target the range that needs work. Make one change, listen for a few bars, then another. This avoids interacting boosts that muddy the sound. Also compare A and B states at the same volume, so you can tell whether a change. Finish by saving a named custom preset, one for headphones, one for speakers, because settings that sound good in one environment often fail in another. Then test across several reference tracks and at different volumes to confirm the balance holds. If you find your EQ isn't applying, make sure no app level or system audio enhancement is overriding it. Toggle those off and on, reconnect Bluetooth, or reboot the phone. That single troubleshooting step fixes most invisible conflicts and gets your changes to actually play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.